The last menu is export. After you adjust the basic style of the tree and add some annotation data sets here, and you can export your tree to a figure. So we can make some change like this bar chart. Change the fill color to blue. You can click these two buttons to change the main attribute control panel or the control panel of each of the annotation layer. So the first block is to set the global font style. You can turn on this switch to change the global font style, like Times New Roman, Arial. The next block is exporting your tree to one of figure format. There are 5 options you can select. The first one is HVG and PDF, EPS, and PNG, and transparent PNG. You can select one of them, like a PDF, and you can give a new file name for like my tree. And click save. Yes. And select a location to save. The last block is save the final drawing state of the tree and related data, all related data including all the annotation data and style data and tree file. You can click this button to save a JSON file. And with this JSON file, you can restore the final drawing state even you close your browser. Like we can close this page and we can open a new page. And if you want to upload the JSON file we just saved, you can come to data and the second block, restore drawing state. And select the JSON file, open it, and the final drawing state will be restored. And you can do any editing, and you can view the annotation data by this view icon, and you can download. You can also view the tree file, and you can download. This function is quite convenient for phylogenetic data reusable, and you can do any editing you want. Furthermore, you can use the style data saved in this JSON file to a new tree file. Like we can just adjust some basic tree style, like, and we change its color to red, and leaf font size color to green, and we save it to a JSON file. And in the future, if you want to reuse the style data, or you have some modification of the tree file, you can open a new page and upload this JSON file to restore, and you can upload a new tree file. So the original style will be used in the new tree file.